channel, it's Arpita. So today I'll be sharing my under 250 rupees makeup look. So पहले मैंने आप लोगों के साथ शेयर की है under 250 rupees makeup kit, जिसमें मैंने आपको बहुत सारे options दिए हैं, लेकिन आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ makeup look. So ये जो मैंने makeup look अचीव की है वो है under 250 rupees makeup product यूज़ करके. सो आई होप कि वीडियो आप लोगों के लिए हेल्पफुल रहेगा, क्योंकि बहुत ही अफोर्डेबल प्रोडक्ट्स यूज़ किए हैं मैंने और बहुत ही इजीली ये लुक मैंने अचीव की है. अगर आप लोगों को पसंद आए देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल एंड हिट दैट बेल बटन सो दैट यू विल नेवर मिस आउट माय एनी अपडेट्स. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो. और आज की वीडियो होने वाला है एक टॉकेटिव वीडियो, जिसमें मैं आप लोगों के साथ बात करूंगी और सारे के सारे प्रोडक्ट डिटेल्स मैं आप लोगों को देते रहूंगी वीडियो के अंदर. तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो एंड लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. Guys, I have all my products over here with me. So apply करी हुई है sunscreen lotion, which is this Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Sun Touch Sunblock, and it contains SPF 50. So I already applied this one. So next we will prep our face, and for that I will be using this SFR Colors Pro Prep SD High Definition Primer. So it's a silicone based primer and it will give you a very smooth finish. So I'm just gonna apply it on my T-zone and wherever I have pores. So I'm just gonna dab it like this. Guys, for base today I'll be using this NY Bay liquid foundation and concealers. They are very affordable, like around 115 rupees, and I have two shades actually. If you can see, one is a little bit lighter for my skin tone and one is very similar to my skin tone. So this one, which is very similar to my skin tone, I'm just gonna use this one for my foundation, and this is in the shade Chestnut, and this brighter one is coffee. So this brighter one I'll be using for my concealer, so that it will highlight my face. So let's use this dark one first. So I'm not gonna use any color corrector today because these are perfectly my shade, so I'm not gonna use any thick product today. I will use this lighter shade for my concealer. So I think my base is done, and I'm just gonna apply this ADS banana powder. So it's my first ever loose powder, and it's retail for I think 100 rupees and 150 rupees, and it works really well. So I'm just gonna bake my face with this powder, and I'm just gonna put it like this. Okay, it's actually yellow undertone powder. मैं आप लोगों को बताना चाहती हूँ, अगर आप अपने फेस को कंट्रोल करना चाहते हो देन आई विल गिव यू एन ऑप्शन, व्हिच इज दिस वन. दिस इज द NY Bay concealer and contour stick. You can see this is brown in the shade, and it is in the shade Sadie in Chinatown contour, but today I'm not gonna contour my face. So if you want to, then I will give this option. So yes, let's just dust my face. Okay. So guys, let's get started with our eye makeup, and first I would love to do my eyebrows. So for that I will give you an option of Swiss. So for eyebrows I will be using this one. This is the Swiss Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade brown. So this is trending now on Nykaa. You can definitely check that out, and it is for I think only 50 rupees or 60 rupees, and it's hell pigmented. Let me just zoom my camera to show you properly. For eyeshadow today I will be using this Wet n Wild Color Icon eyeshadow palette. So it contains 4 colors. Let's just use them properly, and I'm just gonna use actually this green one as my main color. You can see it's hell pigmented. So yeah, I'm just gonna take my brush. So okay, before that let me just create my transition shade. I'm just gonna use this one. This one is the transition color. So I'm just gonna apply it on my eyelids. Okay, then I'm just gonna use the green color. I'm just gonna cut my crease because I'm just going to apply any other color. I just love the pigmentation of this concealer, guys. Can you see? So guys, then I'll be using this Stay Quirky eyeliner in the shade Golden, and I'm just gonna use it on my like inner corner to just highlight my eyes. So I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And I will use my Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara. Next I will be using my LE18 Kajal. Yes, I'm done with my eye makeup and base. Now I will be using my blush, and for blush I'll be using this Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade 325B. This is a coral pink. Blush I will be using my lipstick. Highlighter I will use later. And this is the Bella Vosley lipstick. Very like pink nude color, so this is in the shade 14 Love It. Okay, now I'll be using my highlighter, and for that I'll be using this one. This is the ADS Glow Kit, and it's broken because it's broken.